Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a team on Wordscape. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a team on Wordscape, firstly go ahead and launch open your Wordscape application. The home page of Wordscape application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on clan icon. Now to create a team, tap on create option. On the next page, enter your team name and your team's description. Select your team's brilliance and tap on create. This is how you can create team on Wordscape quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.